Okay, so today we're going to do 12-5, which is volume of pyramids and cones. So we're going to start with pyramids. The formula for volume of a pyramid is 1/3 capital B H, where capital B is the area of the base, H is the height of the pyramid, I'm sorry. So the height is going to go right from the top, that point of the pyramid, straight down. Sometimes it's written on the outside. In all of our examples, it'll be written right on the inside there. So for capital B, you're going to need that orange sheet from chapter 11 to find the area of that base. So to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the bases. I think it makes it a little easier. So for A, it's a rectangle. Sorry, for 1 it's a rectangle. For 2 it's a triangle. Then we have a rectangle, a polygon, and a square, and a rectangle. So you're going to want to use that orange sheet from chapter 11. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the area of this yellow shaded rectangle. So to find the area, it's just going to be our length times width, or base times height. So I'm going to do that over at the side here. It's going to be 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is 96. So when I plug that into my formula, it's going to be 1/3 96 times my height, which is 10. To plug that into a calculator, just put in parentheses 1 divided by 3, 96, and 10, and you get 320. My units is feet, and since it's volume, it's going to be cubed. The next one is a triangle. So you really should turn your triangle to look like this. Your triangle is 1/2 base times your height of the triangle. So this 10 here, we don't really need. The base of my triangle is 6. The height of my triangle is 8. And I had written 8 in here. It's a little hard to see. So 6 times 8 is 48. Half of that is 24. So my volume is 1/3 24. My height is up here, this 15. So in my calculator, 1/3 24, 15, and it's 120. Oops, 120 feet cubed. So if you notice these problems, the pink part is from chapter 11. We've already found the area of a flat surface. This blue part is just taking that and plugging it into our formula. The next one is another rectangle. So it's 10 times 8, which is 80. My volume is 1/3 of 80 times my height. They give you your slanted height of 14. I drew in that your height is 13.4. I gave that to you. 1/3 80 times 13.4, and you get 357.3. Inches and units is cubed. So if you feel like you can keep going, try the rest on your own. If not, we're going to keep going through these together. So this one's a regular polygon. If you remember, your formula is 1/2 your apothem, which is written right here. Your apothem is 5.2 times the perimeter. So this is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 times, which is 36. 1/2 of that, 1/2 of 5.2 times 36 is 93.6. So my volume is 1/3, 93.6. My height of the pyramid is 18. When I plug that into my calculator, 1/3, 93.6 times 18, I get 561.6. And my units is feet cubed. Number 5 is another, it's actually a square, not a rectangle. So I'm going to do 15 times 15, which is 225. My volume is 1/3, 225 times the height, which is 16. And I get 1,200. Inches cubed. The last one is a rectangle. So it's 7 times 4, which is 28. My volume is 1/3, 28. My height is 8. 1/3, 28 times 8. I get 74 we can round that up to about 0.7, 74.7. And this one is in centimeters cubed. So here are your notes for the first half, volume of pyramids. Everything I did in pink was from chapter 11. Everything I did in blue was taking the chapter 11 stuff and applying it to three-dimensional for chapter 12.